Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app tips and tricks on desktop. And in today's video, I will simply show you on how to turn on notification for only important mails on your Gmail app on your desktop without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on see all settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down. Continue to scroll down right here. And make sure you look for notifications right here. Here we go. We have desktop notification right here. So all you have to do is to make sure you check on important mail notification. Notify me only when an important message arrives in my inbox. Go ahead and click on it, and then you are done. So once you check on this box right there, scroll down all the way down, and then make sure you click on save change right here. And it's that simple. With that, you will always get notification mail for every important mail that enter your Gmail box on your desktop. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials, tips and tricks about Gmail settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you